Hello. Okay, your agenda message for today is not going to be too long. We're just going to go over the items that are coming up, and I'm mainly going to go over the Show What You Know study guide for Air and Aerodynamics and flight. Okay, here we go. So, first of all, a few things for math. Okay. Oh, I don't know why that happened. Okay, so for math, pages 102 and 104, you do not need to do 103. All of the questions, please, for tomorrow. A hand-printed copy of your grade 12 time capsule letter is due on Edmodo by Thursday. Science, the design of the aerodynamics experiment, if late, needs to be submitted onto Seesaw, please. I have went over that. I gave class social points to people who did that, so you guys should know who you are. You can just go into Seesaw to see that. Okay, and then, so that's due right away because it was due today already. The creation, sorry, of the storyboard for the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms example. Those are due by Thursday, so just sort of sit tight with those for a little bit. Hopefully you guys watched the lesson today for understanding what the rubric is all about. The Be Kind task is now late. Please do that. And then the Show What You Know for science for air and aerodynamics and flight is on Thursday. Okay, so that's what we're going to go over now. All right, so, okay, now, if we were not doing e-learning, we would have, we actually finished everything for air and aerodynamics, but we didn't finish everything for flight. And we're not going to, which is partially why I gave you guys that cool link to the website today, or at least the people who have finished what they needed to for the website, for the different assignments, which were the labs. For mainly, I was checking for the aerodynamics experiment today before I sent you that link. So same deal, please make sure you have that in. Yeah, okay, so this is what is on the Show What You Know, and you can use your notes, so hopefully it hopefully makes it that much easier. Okay, so you have to, first of all, provide evidence of the properties of air and identify examples of these properties in everyday applications. So these are the ones that we learned, right? Air is invisible and is made up of gases. Air takes up space. Air has mass and density, and air exerts pressure. Okay, that's really important to understand those ones. The next one is provide evidence that air is a fluid and is capable of being compressed, and identify examples of these properties in everyday application. So compression of air, basically like knowing about the molecules. And then the next one is describe and demonstrate instances in which air movement across surfaces results in lift, which is Bernoulli's principle. That was an important one. The next one is recognize that in order for devices or living things to fly, they must have sufficient lift to overcome the downward force of gravity. Okay? And then the next one is recognize that aerodynamic design increases streamlining to reduce drag. Okay, that's what we're working on. That was your assignment for the aerodynamics test. And the last one is identify the 4 forces of flight and relate them to practical situations. So yeah, those things. I think you guys could do that now, basically. But we're going to be doing a little bit more review and exploration. I just want to make sure that everyone's fully caught up tomorrow going into this on Thursday. And then next week, we're going to be working on kind of more like flight projects and learning a bit more about plane functioning. And if we get to it, even like helicopters and glider functioning as well. As you guys who were able to get to the flight school hangar thing, you guys would be able to explore that already. Okay, so that is it for now. Okay, have a great night and see you tomorrow.